Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME C17 and let me share with you how to show the battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So if you've got only the battery indicator and if you want to have the percentage displayed, simply enter the settings, and here we have to tap on notifications and status bar, which is not really intuitive because usually we will just go to the battery, but in this device it is in the notifications and status bar, and as you can see here we've got the option show battery percentage on status bar. After tapping on it we have three different options, so probably you've got this one, do not display. You can display it inside the battery icon, so the option I had previously applied, or outside the battery icon, so in this case the percentage is displayed on the left and of course from the battery icon, and it is for sure much more visible than the previous option inside the battery icon. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.